How to make your computer welcome you. Press Windows+R from your keyboard. It'll open Run window. Type Notepad and press the Enter key. Type these lines carefully. You can copy in video description. Like this. In the second line, speaks equals, type whatever you want your computer to speak. Type the rest all as shown in the image. Save the file with .vbs extension. Click Windows Start button, and then All Programs. Right-click Startup and click Open. Copy .vbs file and paste Startup folder. Close the folder. Restart your computer. If you followed the same steps without any mistake, your computer will speak whatever you typed. Thanks for watching video.